Meanwhile, along with the financial difficulties development track and field meets continue to face, as well as schools affected by the passage of Hurricane Melissa, ISSA President Keith Wellington is crediting a strong foundation and the lasting impact of athletics in Jamaica for the resilience shown despite adversities.
Again, we see the years of legacy in terms of Jamaica's track and field, and the fact that it doesn't matter what the difficulties are, Jamaica is so invested in track and field that we are going to ensure that a show is put on. As we continue to offer support to the regional meets, we have invested millions of dollars in the regional meets to make sure that the competition is there, and we are continuing to reach out to the individual schools to offer support along with our corporate sponsors.
Among the schools that were impacted was Mushat High, and sports manager Trellan Johnson is lauding the team for their Western Champs performance.
I am pleased with the performance. It is not up to the standard that Mushat is known for. However, as I said, we are in a rebuilding phase, so things is going to take time to get back on board.
Despite the challenges, Johnson is looking forward to the ISSA Boys and Girls Championships later this month.
But for champs coming up, I am yet to see the athletes who will be going to champs. However, from this track meet, we may identify a few athletes that will be going.
Wellington is lauding them and other Western schools for turning up to the various development meets, as the aim is to have a memorable boys and girls champs.
So you see the schools coming week in, week out, despite the complaints, despite the issues they're having with the cost of the development meets. But because we are so invested in it and because it has done so much for us as a people, our school administration, they have taken the sacrifice and continue to support the development of track and field. And you know, that means that we are going to have a great champs this year again.
Now, national representatives Brian Lavelle, Javon Powell and Delano Kennedy recently gave the Adrenaline Boys track and field team a massive financial boost with a donation of $1 million. Lavelle, the 2025 World Championship 200-meter bronze medalist, along with Powell, the 2022 World Championship mile relay silver medalist, and Kennedy, the 2025 World Championship mile relay finalist, who are all former members of the Adrenaline track team, were in hand to present the check to the school. Powell, who was a Class 2 boys 400-meter champion for Adrenaline at Boys and Girls Champs in 2017, noted that the time had come for them to give back.